Good morning, ma'am. Today we are going to perform a small skit on the topic pollution of air and water. Name of the characters who are performing the skits are Shyam, owners of Shyam factories; Ramu, assistant of Shyam; Twisha, Ved; Yug, Ujjwal; Yashita, Trisha, Suhani, and Tushar. Now enjoy our skit.
Release all the pollution of air and water, release all the waste.
Should we release sulfur dioxide?
Yes.
It is too harm pollutant and we should not release harm pollutant, sir.
Who will teach me what should I do?
Hello, my name is Twisha and my topic is air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution refers to any physical, chemical or biological change in the air. Types of air pollutants. There are two types of air pollutants. First is primary pollutants. The pollutants that directly cause the air pollution are known as primary pollutants. Sulfur oxide emitted from factories is called primary pollutants. Now the second one is secondary pollutant. The pollutant formed by the intermingling or reaction of primary pollutants are known as secondary pollutants. Smoke formed by the intermingling smoke and fog is a secondary pollutant. On March 17, 1992 in Mexico City, all children under the age of 14 couldn't go to school because of the air pollution. This does not often happen, but being exposed air pollution every day can make people have many health problems. Thank you.
Factories and industries are the main common source of carbon monoxide, organic compounds, hydrocarbons and chemicals. Agricultural activities. Ammonia is one of the most hazardous gas that is emitted during agricultural activities. Automobiles. The gases emitted from vehicles such as cars, buses, jeeps, etc. Burning of fossil fuels. The combustion of fossil fuels emits a large amount of sulfur dioxide. Thank you.
Oh, really?
You know that the India's most famous tourist attraction, Taj Mahal, is matter of concern over 2 decades. Because of pollutants, the white marble of Taj is getting yellowish. The sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide mix with water vapor present in atmosphere and converts into nitric acid, and sulfuric acid converts into drops and fall down. Because of all this, the acid drainage happens and the white marble of Taj is getting yellowish, and this is called marble cancer. The Supreme Court has taken few safety measures to prevent the Taj. So we can use LPG and CNG instead of fossil fuels, so we can save our monuments.
OMG!
You know, the pollution from your factory is affecting greenhouse effect. Excessive amount of CO2 is released, and which is very harmful to greenhouse effect, which causes global warming.
What can you explain me? What is greenhouse effect?
Now, first to understand what is greenhouse effect. It is a process that occurs when gases in Earth's atmosphere trap the sun's heat. This process makes Earth much warmer than it would be without an atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is one of the things which make Earth much comfortable, much better place to live. Now, question comes, how does greenhouse effect work? As greenhouse stays warm from inside even during winters, in daytime sunlight shines into the greenhouse and warms the plants and air inside it. At night time it's colder outside, but the greenhouse stays pretty warm and that is because the glass wall of greenhouse traps the sun's heat. Works much the same way on the earth. Advantages of greenhouse effect and global warming. Without this effect, life could not be possible on earth. But now it threatens the life. Excess of CO2 in the air is one of the gases responsible for this effect. On one hand, CO2 is continuously released because of human activities, and on other hand, areas under the forest are decreasing. Plants utilize CO2 from the atmosphere for photosynthesis, thereby decreasing the amount of CO2 in the air. Deforestation leads to increased CO2 in the air because number of trees which consume CO2 are reduced. Human activities thus contribute to accumulation of CO2 in the air, and CO2 traps the heat and does not allow it to escape into space. As a result, average heating or average temperature of Earth is gradually increasing. This is called global warming. Other gases like methane, nitrous oxide and water vapor also contribute towards this effect. Like CO2, they are also greenhouse gases. The gradual heating of Earth's surface, oceans and atmosphere is caused by human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels that pumps the CO2, methane and other greenhouse gases into atmosphere. Now, how can we prevent global warming? As my poster says, if we have to prevent our Earth from global warming, we have to do some things like stop deforestation, reuse, recycle, use of solar energy, plant a tree, and use of wind power, save our Earth, save our nature, make it the better place, be the part of the solution.
Hi, I am Yazita from class 8A. Now what is water pollution? Water pollution can be defined as the contamination of water bodies. The key causative way of water pollution in India are deforestation, urbanization, chemical factories, social and religious practices, the uses of detergents and fertilizers. Nearly 6 billion kilograms of garbage is dumped every year in Indian Ocean. This results in water pollution which harm not just humans but the whole ecosystem. Many industries discharge harmful chemicals into the river and streams. For example, sugar mills, textiles, paper factory, etc. Safe water, safe earth. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Trisha Gupta from class 8th and today I want to tell you what is potable water. Drinking water, also known as potable water, that is safe to drink or used for food preparation. The amount of drinking water required to maintain good health varies and depends on physical activity level, age, health-related issues, and environmental conditions. For those who work in a hot climate, up to 16 liters a day may be required. About 1 to 2 billion people lack safe drinking water. The problem that causes 30,000 deaths each week. More people die from unsafe water than from raw.
Do you know that our Pavitra Ganga is polluted due to you guys only?
How?
My name is Sudhani and I am here to talk about Ganga case study. So let's start. Ganga is severely polluted with human waste and industrial contaminants. The river provides water to about 40% of India's population, serving an estimated population of 500 million people, which is more than any other river in the world. Today, Ganga is considered to be the 6th most polluted river in the world. Many initiatives have been undertaken to clean the river Ganga, but India never got the desired results. After getting elected, India's Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi affirmed to work on cleaning and controlling pollution in Ganga. Subsequently, the Namami Gange project was announced by the government in 2014 budget. An estimated rupees 2,958 crores have been spent in various efforts in cleaning up of the river. So we should not waste the water and do not pollute the rivers.
Oh, I'm sorry, but what can we do to stop the pollution? Hello friends, my name is Tushar and I'm studying in class 8. So we are discussing about water and air pollution. Water, the two essential fluid which all life depends. have become global garbage cans. Use less plastic. It is very difficult to break down plastic. It is produced. Reuse item. Whenever you buy something that is not recyclable, such as plastic, it is better to reuse this item as many as possible. Avoid toilets for throwing garbage. Do not throw household items, just dispose them. Prevention of air pollution. Riding a bike or walking instead of driving. Taking a bus or carpooling. Turning off light and appliances when they are not in use. Using energy efficient light bulbs and appliances. Thank you.